Hello guys, today I have a Lycanroc GX box. Has a big card, Lycanroc GX, and some booster packs, and time to open this. Okay, so we have Lycanroc GX. And it's holographic, shiny. Crunch, Accelerock, and Lycanfang GX move, it looks like. It's a promo, maybe, yeah, promo, focus. Yeah, this is a pretty cool card. Alright, next we have the bigger card in promo. It's the same moves. So yeah, that's cool. Now we have a Sun and Moon pack. XY Evolutions, another Sun and Moon, and Steam Siege. So here's the card. You can go and use it. Alright, let's open these packs. Okay, I finally got it open from the top. So let's take out these cards. Alright, so Mantine, Sneasel, Chandelure, Special Charge, Azumarill, ooh, that's kind of cool, Lampent. Alright, here's the card. Clauncher, Fletchling, Hoppip, and another Sneasel. Alright, now we have XY Evolutions. Alright, that was easy to open. Oh! A Nidoking Break. I already have one of these, but nice pull right there. Dugong. Coughing. Misty's Determination, another training. Alright, here's the card. Evolutions. Energy. Caterpie. Ghastly. Diglett. And Rattata. Okay, two more. They're both Sun and Moon. So, we'll open up this one. Alright, so we got Team Skullgrunt, Pinsir, Ultra Ball, the card, Grubbin, Zubat, Torkoal, Rowlet, Drowsy, Lima, Palossand, and Dark Energy. Alright, so last we have another Sun and Moon, has Incineroar on it. So we have Beware, Toucannon, Fairy Energy, Timer Ball, Bryon, Poliwhirl, and here's the card. Zubat, Grubbin, Growlithe, Popplio, and Wingull. So from what we pulled, the best card we got from the booster pack, Nidoking Break, not bad. And then we have Lycanroc GX and Lycanroc GX. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, maybe subscribe, and see you again next time. See ya.